Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to do online shopping in Temu. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone. After navigating to the browser, click on the search icon and search for Temu. Now, click on www.temu.com's link and you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to basically sign in using your user credentials. After you sign in, you will see this dashboard. Here, in order to do online shopping, you can simply click on the search Temu option at the top. Now, you'll have to simply search for the product that you want to buy. After searching for the product, you can navigate down and explore various categories for your products. You can also use filters like sort by top sales, rated, recent, prices high to low or low to high. You can also navigate to category and choose what kind of category you want in this product. You will have various categories available. Now, you can also click on the size option and choose the size for your product that you want, or you can click on color and choose what kind of color you want for your product. You can also choose the material, pattern and various filters. Now, after choosing this, you'll have to click on the search icon and the filters will be applied. Now, you'll have to just navigate to the product that you want, explore it, click on the product's picture and it will open up on a new page. On the new page, you'll have to complete the verification, that is the security verification. After completing this verification, you'll be taken over to the products page where you can see its pictures. If you like it, you can simply click on add to cart button. When you click on add to cart, you'll be taken over to the products information page where you can choose the size for the product, the quantity for the product and the color for the product. After that, click on add to cart. Now, you'll have your cart icon appearing at the top. Click on it and it will take you over to the carts page. Here, you can see the item total available here. The discount that will be applied will be shown here and the estimated total will be shown here. Also, taxes and delivery fee will be calculated on the next page. Now, you'll have to simply click on the checkout option at the bottom right. Click on the country or region. Choose the country or region where you are buying the product. Enter your first name. Enter the address where you want to buy this product. Enter your phone number here. Then click on save. After you complete the information on this page, you'll have to click on save and you'll be taken over to the next page, that is the payments page. There, you'll have to simply complete the payment using a payment method. After you do that, you would have successfully bought that item on Temu. Now, you can go back to Temu by clicking on the Temu icon, navigating to your profile picture, click on it and click on your orders. Now, every order you'll have will appear in the order section. The processing orders will be shown here. The shipped orders will be shown here. Delivered and return order will be under your orders section. After doing this, you would have successfully done online shopping on Temu. So, that's how you do online shopping in Temu. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.